Do you like sparkling wine and want to know how it is made? Pay attention. There are three main methods for creating those bubbles we love so much: Charmat, Champenoise, and Ancestral. In the Charmat method, imagine a large vat where the base wine ferments for a second time and acquires bubbles. It is like making cider, but with wine, faster and cheaper. Many young and fruity sparkling wines are made this way. In the Champenoise method, the process is more artisanal. The base wine ferments in each bottle individually, creating a slow and prolonged second fermentation. It's like a little party in each bottle. This method is used for champagnes and other high-quality sparkling wines. The Ancestral method is the oldest. It is like making wine and letting it ferment in the bottle without interruptions, a natural way to obtain bubbles. Ancestral sparkling wines are usually more rustic and with a wild touch. In short, each method gives the sparkling wine a unique character. Charmat is younger and fruitier, Champenoise is more complex and elegant, and Ancestral is more rustic and natural. Dare to discover the world of sparkling wines. Each bubble tells a story.